Welcome to this step-by-step guide on decorating a modern bathroom floor tile. We'll be using a range of components to transform this space into a stylish and functional oasis. Segment 1. Preparing the bathroom. First, choose your floor tiles. These set the tone for your bathroom. We've gone with sleek, gray porcelain tiles for a contemporary look. Before laying the tiles, install an underlayment for support and moisture protection. Segment 2. Wall tiles and shower area. Now, let's move to the shower area. Install wall tiles to complement the floor. These white subway tiles add a classic touch. Place the shower pan. Ours is made of acrylic for durability. Install your bathtub next. This freestanding tub adds a touch of luxury. Segment 3. Vanity and fixtures. Mount the vanity cabinet and attach the sink. It provides both storage and style. Add a stylish faucet to complete the vanity setup. Install the toilet. Make sure to secure it with a toilet flange. Segment 4. Shower and accessories. Set up the shower enclosure. Our glass panels create an open and airy feel. Attach the shower head for a refreshing shower experience. Mount towel bars and a toilet paper holder for convenience. Segment 5. Final touches. Hang a sleek bathroom mirror above the vanity for a finishing touch. Install modern lighting fixtures and an exhaust fan for proper illumination and ventilation. Fill the gaps between tiles with grout to ensure a water-resistant surface. Finally, add baseboard molding for a polished look. Conclusion. And there you have it. By using these components, you've transformed your bathroom into a modern oasis, blending functionality and style seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly decorated modern bathroom.